So I think it's all over. I guess I'm perfectly covered. There is Al, standing strong, his gun on his side, wearing black suit matching his dark eyes. My friend Al, when I'm brushing my teeth, when I'm falling in asleep, there is Al, lying in my bedroom, begging for a future, if it's possible, as soon as possible. When I'm crying at night to find God's and cursing all my life, here comes Al, with a half smile on his face, saying, baby, baby,